While most animals have round pupils, goats possess a fascinating feature: rectangular pupils that look like horizontal bars across their eyes. These uniquely shaped pupils give goats an incredible 320-degree field of vision, allowing them to watch for predators while they graze. The rectangular shape helps goats focus better on the horizon and detect movement from predators approaching from any direction. Their remarkable pupils can dilate significantly in darkness while maintaining their rectangular shape, helping goats see clearly in both bright daylight and dim conditions. This extraordinary adaptation allows the pupil to contract to a tiny slit in bright sunlight and expand dramatically in darkness, giving goats superior vision in all lighting conditions. Thanks to these rectangular pupils, goats can spot potential predators from nearly any angle while continuing to graze, making them highly successful survivors in the wild. While humans have 3 types of color-sensing cones in our eyes, mantis shrimp have a staggering 16 different types of color receptors. These incredible creatures can see ultraviolet light, infrared radiation, and even detect different types of polarized light that are completely invisible to human eyes. Scientists believe mantis shrimp can perceive colors that we literally cannot imagine, as their brains process color information in a fundamentally different way than ours. Their eyes are mounted on mobile stalks and can move independently, giving them sophisticated depth perception and the ability to detect objects with remarkable precision. Each eye is divided into 3 sections, allowing them to see with trinocular vision through a single eye, like having 3 different pairs of eyes in one. This extraordinary vision system helps them become one of the most effective predators in the ocean, able to spot and strike their prey with incredible speed and accuracy. In the fascinating world of ants, these tiny insects possess incredible strength, capable of lifting up to 50 times their own body weight. This remarkable strength comes from their small size, as their muscles have a greater cross-sectional area relative to their body volume compared to larger animals. Working together in perfect harmony, thousands of ants coordinate to build vast underground colonies that can span hundreds of square feet. Using their powerful mandibles, they excavate complex networks of tunnels and chambers, moving one tiny particle of soil at a time. Each ant instinctively knows its role, whether it's foraging, construction, or colony maintenance, creating a superorganism that functions with remarkable efficiency. Their extraordinary strength and cooperative nature have helped ants become one of Earth's most successful species, thriving for over 100 million years. The remarkable alpine swift can stay airborne for an incredible 200 days straight, making it one of nature's most extraordinary endurance athletes. These amazing birds accomplish this feat by catching all their food in flight, feeding on airborne insects while gliding through the air. During their non-stop flight, they can even sleep while gliding, using one half of their brain at a time while the other half stays alert. Their incredibly efficient metabolism allows them to maintain flight at high altitudes, where they can catch favorable winds and conserve energy. These birds can even mate and drink water while flying, collecting droplets from clouds as they soar through the air. Only when it's time to nest do these remarkable birds finally return to land, having spent more than half a year continuously in flight. Woodpeckers have one of nature's most ingenious shock absorption systems. Their extremely long tongues actually wrap around their brains like a protective helmet. When these remarkable birds slam their beaks against trees at forces up to 1,200 times the force of gravity, their wrapped tongues act as a cushioning system. A woodpecker's tongue can extend to lengths 3 times longer than its beak, and when retracted, it coils behind the skull and around the brain. Their tongue is anchored in the right nostril and contains specialized elastic tissues that allow it to stretch and contract like a bungee cord. This remarkable adaptation not only prevents brain damage, but also helps the bird catch insects deep within tree bark. The tongue's surface is covered in sticky saliva and tiny barbs, perfect for snagging insects from deep within wooden
Chameleons
tunnels.
possess remarkable color-changing abilities, thanks to specialized cells in their skin called chromatophores. These incredible cells contain tiny crystals that can be reorganized to reflect different wavelengths of light, creating various colors and patterns. When a chameleon wants to change color, their brain sends signals causing these chromatophores to expand or contract. The skin contains several layers of these cells, each controlling different colors from red and yellow to blue and white. This sophisticated system allows chameleons to change their appearance within minutes, helping them communicate, regulate temperature, and camouflage themselves. Their color changes aren't just for hiding, they're also used to express emotions, attract mates, and signal dominance to other chameleons. Pangolins are extraordinary creatures covered in something quite familiar. Their armor is made of keratin, the exact same protein found in your fingernails. Each scale grows continuously throughout their life, just like our nails, and gets thicker and stronger with age. These specialized scales make up about 20% of a pangolin's total body weight and provide incredible protection against predators. The scales are waterproof and remarkably durable, yet flexible enough to allow the pangolin to roll into a tight ball when threatened. Like fingernails, each scale grows from a small area of soft tissue at its base, gradually hardening as new layers of keratin are added. As the scales age, they become darker and thicker, creating an even more effective shield against the teeth and claws of predators.